how to get Qatar Airways business class for cheap. Now, if you already booked your flight, all you have to do is just log into your Qatar Airways account. It actually works the same on your mobile phone on through the app as well. Now, if you are currently logged into your account, all you just have to do is to click on Manage Bookings and then Manage Flight. Now, from there, you'll be able to know the specific availability of the upgrades you can do on your current trip. Now, it may not be available for everyone, but you can go ahead and check if it will be visible on your end. Now, to do that, just simply click Manage Booking or Manage Trip, and from there, there will be plenty of options for you to click on what specific upgrades you would like to do. And speaking of upgrade, you can also collect coupons to use as for your upgrade. Now, to collect a points, here's what you can do. You can travel around the world. You need to book multiple times with Qatar Airways by shopping and dining to their specific lounge, spend with Doha Bank to book a vacation package through Qatar Airways, and from there it will automatically link to your current bookings or to your current trip, and from there you will be able to see or you'll be able to use those points as an upgrade. So that's how you get Qatar Airways business class for cheap.